How to delete build from TestFlight. Follow the instructions. Open App Store, connect and log in using your Apple developer account credentials carefully. Select your app from the dashboard and go to the TestFlight tab in the top navigation bar. Under TestFlight, find the build you want to remove from the list of available builds shown. Click on the specific build number to open its build information and detailed test data page. Look at the top right and click the Expire Build button to stop any future installs by testers. Confirm expiration when prompted. The build will be disabled but still visible in TestFlight list. To remove it from submission, go to the App Store tab and select the app version if connected. Under Build section, click the minus sign next to the build and press Save to remove it now. Thank you for watching.